how unlock ABAP objects in subsystem. For example, when the system interrupts work due to connect, or when another user has locked some objects and is not able to unlock it independently. You can do it yourself. I'm Artur from abapblog.com. Let's start. I have locked object, ABAP program, maintain dialog, and database table. Let's try to unlock these objects. Go to transaction SM12. You can choose parameters for list, username, for example. Enter. I see 3 my logs. For understanding, in this list you also can see documents logs. For example, somebody open order and edit this order. You also will see this log in this transaction. Try to unlock, for example, table, delete log entry, yes, additional information, false, object, unlock, more objects, delete, yes. Please give your feedback in comments and likes. It's very important for YouTube algorithms. Thanks.